Just imagine, 36.45 square meter na one-bedroom condo na ganito kaganda kung idadagdag mo lang ang konting personal touch, accent walls, modern furniture, warm lighting, small details pero big transformation. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Pero bago ka ma-inlove masyado, take note, this is a dress-up model unit only. Ibig sabihin, ganito mo pwedeng pagandahin ang sarili mong kondo sa Paseo Verde, Las Piñas. Kaya kung mahilig ka mag-design o gusto mo ng cozy city vibe, perfect na perfect tong Paseo Verde para sa'yo. May one bedroom, one toilet and bath at complete living space. Ideal for young professionals, newlyweds, or investors na gusto ng move-in ready unit dito sa Metro Manila. At ang maganda pa, ready for occupancy na agad. So kung gusto mo ng lumipat or mag-invest this year, wala ka nang hihintayin pa. Let's talk numbers. Total contract price, 5,950,121.88 cents. Reservation fee, 15,000. Down payment, 18 months, 32,223 per month. Bank financing, 20 years, 39,927 per month. Sa halagang parang renta mo lang every month, may sarili ka ng condo in one of the most accessible areas in Las Piñas, malapit sa LRT, schools, and major malls. Pero reminder lang, limited units left at dahil ready for occupancy na, mabilis na uubos ang ganitong deals lalo na sa prime Las Piñas location. Again, this unit is a dress-up model para lang bigyan ka ng idea kung gaano siya kaganda kapag inayos mo. So if you want to see the actual unit and get design inspo in person, book your free condo tour with us today. Your trusted real estate team helping you turn your dream condo into reality.